In this video, I'm going to teach you how to build custom audiences for retargeting or for building lookalikes. Start in your ads manager, obviously. On the left side, click audiences. Click create audience, click custom audience, and then select the type of source or custom audience you want to build. In our case, we want to retarget website visitors. We'll hit next. Make sure you select the correct pixel. Select the event that you want. So in our case, we want to select anybody who has visited. You can also create custom audience lists of people who have purchased, who have added to cart. This would be good for retargeting. The thing that most people miss though is if you do an add to cart, also make sure in this audience you're excluding people who have purchased. Because if you create a custom audience of just people who have added to cart, let me show you, for example. If you just click add to cart and do last 30 days, Meta is going to go, great, I'll go target people who have added to cart. What you don't know is people who have added to cart have also done what? They've probably purchased potentially, or a percentage of them have. So then you're just hitting people who have purchased already. So make sure that if you do this, you also then click exclude people and exclude purchasers in there if you do an add to cart. But again, like I said, we're going to go ahead and do website visitors. I want to target people within the last 180 days. That's the limit that you can go back to. And I'm going to title this so it's easy for me to know 180-day website visitors. I could spell. Boom. Now I have this list building, ready to go, and I can go use it and add it at the campaign level in my account. Now I'm going to show you how to use the audience that you just made in a campaign. You can click on the left side and open up your campaign manager. Find a campaign you want to use and click into it. Hit edit an ad set. Scroll down to where your audience section is. Click custom audiences. Just press your mouse in here and then type in the audience you just made, and boom, there we go. Now I'm able to use it. Now you'll notice it'll say populating. It's because it's building that audience because we just made it. And now I'm going to show you how to create an audience of users who engaged with your posts on Instagram. Custom audience, Instagram account. Make sure you have the right page selected. People who engaged with this account. You can also target people who've only engaged with an ad if you want. Only use this if you're a big enough brand that this makes sense for you. And then you can target people past 365 days. I'll do MMT, Instagram engagers, 180 days. Create audience. And now this audience will be building as well, and I'll be able to target them once it's finished populating the same way I set it up in the campaign before.